Happy Taco Tuesday, my Kashka family. From you know where. Carmel by the Sea, California. Yeah, 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 yeah. Guys, it's hard to believe it's frickin' Taco Tuesday already. But anyway, guys, in this video, it will be quick. Um, this goes back to the video I did, I think, 2 or 3 days ago. So this is a case study type results video for all you affiliate marketing beginners out there in 2022. So if that interests you, I urge you to stick around and watch the whole frickin' video for a change, please. Guys, again, I'll flip this around and we will get this party started. Did you miss me? Alright guys, if you're new to this channel, this is where I attempt to show you guys and gals how to make some moolah online, mainly with affiliate marketing, print on demand, e-commerce, Shopify, drop servicing, just to name a few of the things, guys. And I have been doing this for over 25 years. And yes, you heard that correct. 2 to the 5 years. And yes, so again, guys, if you didn't see my last or video, I think it was 3 days ago. I was basically showing you how to create a direct linking ad with a product that I never promoted in my life. And I'm just going to show you the results. You saw the thumbnail, but I will dive deeper because, guys, I'm very transparent. I show you what it takes to get these sales as far as ad spend, which most of the other affiliate marketing gurus, they fail to leave that important part out. So, anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your frickin' friends across this crazy place we call the world anymore. All right, guys, let's dive right into this shit. Oops, I shouldn't be cussing. I'm sorry. Okay, that's not what we wanted. All right, guys, so this is my dashboard for the product in question, the case study that we did. And this product is right here somewhere. Shocking, it's a golf product. Actually, I haven't promoted that many golf products. Well, I take that back. I was with a company, and I probably made like $4,000 or $5,000 promoting their stuff, but they're not doing affiliate marketing, or they don't have an affiliate program set up any longer. So here we are. Anyway, guys, this is the product, and you guys know I preach relevancy for your ads, and I'll explain that when we'll go over and I'll show you the ad. Let me just refresh this, guys. I'm going to go to the last 14 days. So, guys, we have spent so far, as you can see right here, a whopping $10.50 to generate let's go since the beginning, which is 3 days. So, guys, I told you I was going to share this case study anyway. But if you guys don't know anything about conversion rates and stuff like that, we've gotten 21 clicks, guys, and we've gotten 2 orders. And if you come over, that's over a 10% conversion rate, guys, which is insane. And again, like the thumbnail stated, I'm going to Disneyland. Not. But guys, I understand this isn't a lot of money, But I create these type of videos to show you, these case study videos, to show you that you can do this. I urge you to watch that video, guys. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can watch it. Guys, this isn't rocket science. You can do this. My freaking dog could do this. Although I don't have one, but he could do it if he was here. Guys, again, get off your butt, take action. I'm not going to be marketing this much longer. I'm going to let it play out today and just see if we can get some more sales. And I'll update you guys if we do. But again, it's not a lot of money, but I'm just trying to show you guys that you can do this. Please know that you can do this. And I'm here to help you. If you guys, whatever, comment and all that stuff, let me know what you struggle with in affiliate marketing. Or anything for that matter. I love you. So anyway, guys, we've made $42.84. And what's the profit on that? We'll just say 30. It's like 31 or 32 bucks. But again, guys, not rocket science here. I'll show you the ad again. Here it is right here, guys. And no, guys, I don't care if you copy it. You guys know that. Et cetera, et cetera. Let's go into the keywords, which is the most important part, guys. Well, let me show you the ad first. So this is what the ad reads. #1 swing trainer in golf, save 15% if you buy today. And guys, all I did, if you didn't watch the video, which you need to watch the video, because I preach relevancy, guys. So when they click on this ad, it's going to bring them right to this page right here. And everything that the ad says is right here in front of their face. It cannot be any more relevant than that. And that's why the conversion rate is so good. So anyway, guys, comment down below if you even have a Microsoft Ads account, if you know how to do direct linking, blah, blah, blah. So let's go back over here. Again, we've gotten 26 clicks, and the ad has been shown. If you don't know what impressions are, it's been shown on the World Wide Web 217 times, and 26 people have clicked on it. And that's a click-through rate, guys, of almost 12%, almost just like the conversion rate. And guys, those are insane numbers. I know it's not a lot of money, but what you also have to understand is that those 26 clicks, guys, if you don't know what cookies are, basically within the next 30 days, when those people clicked on it, I have 30 days because they might come back and decide to buy it. And that's powerful stuff. So I'm expecting to actually get a lot more sales with this product from just from that alone. If I shut the ad off right now, I can almost guarantee you we would probably get 2 to 3, maybe even 5 sales just because of the 30-day cookie window. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that because I told you that I would. And I'm a man of my word, as you well know. Your cash cow here in Carmel by the Sea, California. And guys, I'm going to kind of end it at that. I don't think I really need to go anything deeper. And there you go, guys. So it's not the best. It's not the best commissions. It's like 20%. But again, guys, I'm not paying anything for the ads, basically. So anyway, I just want to let you guys know that you guys can do this. And actually, I have a question, just real quick before I in this epic video. This affiliate marketing beginners 2022 case study video. I was thinking last night, guys, because I was watching I forget the channel, but actually it was Graham Stephan's channel, the Iced Coffee Hour. And he had a guy on there from New York who is killing it on YouTube with just showing his daily life. And I'm thinking about starting to do that, guys. Because if you knew what went on in this place and around this area for your cash cow, you'll be quite shocked. But yeah, I'm willing to throw myself out there, guys. You can see me sleep. You can see me exactly what I do every day, because it's absolutely crazy. If you guys don't know, I get to the gym 5 days a week at 3 o'clock in the morning. And before that, I'm doing Instagram posts. I've got 4 or 5 different Instagram accounts, blah to the blah. So, and I do all of this, and I make videos, and I'm trying to build out the Real Caddyshack.co, which is doing very well. So, if you guys want to see what consists of my daily routine on the daily, let me know in the comments down below, guys, because I'd actually love to do it. I mean, I'll take you around the area here in Carmel by the Sea, California, and just show you what it takes and what I do to make the money that I make. And I mean, it's not crazy money, guys, but it's money. And I've been doing it, like I said, for over 25 years, and I love sharing this kind of information to you guys that maybe don't even know the first place to begin. So anyway, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to start making a daily vlog of your cash cow's life. I'm going to do it regardless of what you say. All right, guys, I'm going to go. I said it was going to be short, and it's not. Shocking. I hope you all have a wonderful Taco Tuesday, and I'll see you on the next video. Aren't you proud of me? I've done so many lately. All right. Peace out. Love you all.